Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna start with a really good topic, like how you can start with forex trading. So if you are new to this channel, if you do not know anything about trading or forex, then we're gonna start with the basic thing. Just go to a website called babypips.com. You can find a course there that is a basic, it's a free course. There is no paid things here. So you can just go there and learn the forex trading, like how does it work, what is currencies and everything. And then we're gonna, once you learn the little bit of about educations, like what is forex trading and everything, then go and develop, set up a trading account, demo trading account, and start executing, start trading with it, and see how the lot size work. Once you put two lot size, how three lot size, like what is pips and everything. So once you have the education, like while watching and everything, reading, you need to implement it on the live not, I mean, on demo account. Once you implement on the demo account, you will understand, like, okay, this thing is real. Like, we understand, like, we can make this amount of profit with the two lot size, three lot size. So you will have an experience. And after that, go like download some kind of I use Notion. So like, go download Notion, make a really good trading plan, how much you want to risk with your capital. And after you once you make the really good plan, go make another demo account with a certain capital, let's say 1,000. Grow that account to, like, let's say 10%, 15%, like as much as time you need. Okay, once you touch the 10% target, okay, do it again. Now you have learned what is the profitable for you and what is not. So do it again, learn and do the practicing. Okay, after that you are managing risk. Now the main point is manage your psychology as well while trading. Mainly, sometimes this happens because of the negative environment, negative thoughts. We our emotions get stronger and we overtrade. So I would suggest, like, when you have an emotional day, something happened in your life, I won't suggest you trade at that day, or like certain period of time, like 15 days or a month, or maybe more, as much as time you need. Okay, so maintain your psychology as well. After that, stay informed. That means, like, whatever happens around you, I mean the economy wise, keep updated on that, because fundamentals are important. So in trading there are two ways, like there is a technical and fundamentals. So you will learn it if you go to babypips.com, because if you have no idea about trading. Other than that, let's say if you are informed about the fundamentals, you will know, like, how currency thrive through fundamental, which kind of economic part affect the fundamentals. So it will be really good to understand fundamentals as well. Okay, after that, start a live account. And let me tell you guys, like, prop firm have make it really easy to trade with bigger capital. Back in the days, there was no such a things. You need your own capital to start up. It was like, there was no $900 account with 100K, 1,000. People were putting real money, losing real money, and making real money. So I'm not saying it's not funded company do not provide real money. Some do not, some do. So, like, find a better one. But before that, once you grow your demo account, make 10%, then start a live account, make 10% on it. And after that, make a really good practice about it. I mean, do practice about it. Once you have done, once your mind and everything is set up, go buy a smallest funded account, grow it. Okay, once you pass the phases, make money from funded account, have your first payout. And, like, for me, I would suggest, like, I have never done, like, like, in my past, like, I was doing trading and everything. I have been doing trading for 4 years, but on YouTube I have just started now. Like, I had a channel, I did uploading, I was uploading, but then I stopped. I had a Discord server. In that I was like 1,000 members or something. We were doing really great. If you go to my Instagram, there are still some reviews in my highlights, if you want to check that out. But besides that, like, people were really enjoying that server. So at that period of time, I was really profitable as well. And after that, I moved to Paris, and I still have capital left, and I'm using that to pass the funded account. But currently I'm losing the funded account. It's because like I have whole new environment now, new psychology building, doing everything at my home. I was living with my parents, so I had no pressure of my own things. So currently I have pressure on my mind, and doing everything is like quite tough. But I think I believe in myself. I can do it, and I can. If I had done it once, I had a trading. I've been profitable once. I can do it twice. Okay, I think I can do it again. So that's why I'm sticking up with the funded account. If I fail, I fail. I do not. I am not saying I fail. I won't hide it, because it's a part of the thing. I'll just show you guys that this is the real journey. This is the real thing. If you pass, you pass. You fail, you fail. What you need to do next: start again, learn, practice, and simple that. But mainly, according to my rule, like I've been failing funded account. So I would suggest, if you are failing funded account, make a plan, do apply on demo. Once you pass the demo account, then go and try what we call the real funded account. That's simple as that. Okay, so I think I should follow the same thing. I'll start a demo account, and once I pass that, then we're going to move to what we call real funded account. Besides that, like let's say once you pass a phase one, phase two, then you will have a funded account, life capital. You can make more profit and everything. Besides that, let's say about fundamentals. Where can we see the news? Where can we do it? So I would suggest I use forex factory for that. There is a website called forex factory. You can go there. You can just see the calendar, what news is today, what is coming up, what was the past number. And once you check that, you can understand the fundamentals as well, what kind of a price movement it had in yesterday. Okay, so just do little bit research, you will know it. And if you want me to make a really good video about it, I'm happy to do it. Just let me know in comment section. Besides that, like for me personally, it's been really great doing trading for 3 years and 4 years. I mean, like someday I will just sit down one day and talk the whole journey, like about I will talk about the whole journey, like how it's been, how I have been feeling about it. But currently my main focus was like people who wants to start trading in 2023. I would suggest, like there was no prop firm back in days, but currently you have. So take advantage of it. And currently, like I'm trading with a Funded Pro. They have really good things, because some funded accounts, I mean, sorry, some prop firm, they have a limited time period, like 30 days phase one, 60 days phase two. And I would suggest like having a limited period of time. So for some people like me, I have college as well. Okay, and besides this, there are some people who have job as well. So they do not, some days, some month, they do not have time. So what what they will fail the account, because there is a 30 days time limit. But Funder Pro, they have removed all of it. They give you live funds, and they give you all like unlimited time limit. You can trade whenever you like. So there is no pressure on your mind, so that is a really good thing. So my main focus, I will stick with Funded Pro, grow capital with them. But besides that, like you can use my code as well. That is XKC20. You will get around 20% off. I'll put all things in description. You can go and check it out. Besides that, like for the currently, like the generations of like forex trading, the profit have been a really good thing for traders. But if you're not profitable, it's a losing thing. You need to have a proper plan. You should have once feel that profitability. Like once you've been profitable, you need to see that again. Once you see that again, like that's the thing for you. Once you become a profitable trader, there is nothing holding you back. You can do it, because I have done it once. I think I can do it twice. So that's it today. Like I just wanted to say that like you can start trading as well. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in comment section, and just stick with me on this channel. And thank you for being part of my trading journey. See you in the next video, guys.